Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can back up or how you can restore your public HTML folder in cPanel. So let's get right into it. Now for this, of course, you do need a backup from before. There are no automatic backups as far as I'm aware, so you can create manual ones to create full backups, which will have all your files that you need. If you want automatic backups, or automatically restore backups to cPanel, you do need to contact your hosting provider or use the Web Host Manager or WHM, which has that functionality. cPanel does not. But yeah, once you have your full backup, you can then restore the public HTML folder. And to manually restore it, you can do it from a backup file, or you can just you don't even need to create a full backup. You can just go to your file manager and then compress everything into an archive and then download it if you want just public HTML to be backed up. However, to restore it, once you have your backup, just uncompress the file to find your files and then retrieve the files from the home directory in the public HTML folder, and then pretty much once you find those files, you just need to upload them to your account's public HTML folder with the file manager, and that is basically it. Now, I do recommend you, if it's corrupted and if you want to fully restore it to the point where the backup was at, I do recommend you delete everything in your public HTML folder in the file manager on cPanel before you make any other uploads. But other than that, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.